Hey guys, John here from Sonic Drive Studio. I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the brand new MIKKO2 IR Loader plugin by ML Sound Lab. So this is a very comprehensive and versatile plugin with an endless array of tones in it and endless possibilities. So this is the second version, the updated version, version 2, and it comes with a bunch of cool new features. Now, of course, speakers and cabinets can have a huge impact on your guitar tone. They can really make or break your tone. And MIKKO2 really allows you to find your tone and then fine-tune it to perfection in a realistic way, so it recreates a real-world mic-up scenario. Oh, and by the way, there is also a free version which comes with one cabinet, the Mega 4x12 oversized cab with 4 mic options, and that's a great sounding cabinet. And you can even export your own IRs with that free version. So with that version alone, you can basically create endless IRs. And that for free, so that's crazy. The full version comes with a whopping 38 cabinets. So that's a lot of cabinets and speakers to choose from. And all of those obviously also have multiple mic options. The user interface has gotten an overhaul when you compare it to the old version. So it's very easy to use and straight to the point. There is also a new EQ section in which you get a visual representation of the overall EQ curve, and it also allows you to make EQ adjustments. And it also has low and high cut filters. Place the mics anywhere on the speaker cone and also change the angle and distance of the mics. You can also tilt the mics up to 90 degrees now. And it also has the new micro latency phase adjust option, which recreates a pleasant out-of-phase sound. In real life, when you mic up a cabinet, that is a natural occurrence because of how the sound reaches the mics. So with this feature, you can really fine-tune that to your liking. And you can basically use that to smoothen out the top end a little bit, to make things less harsh in a natural way, if need be. So that's a very nice feature indeed. Before we take a good look at the user interface, let's do a little bit of a comparison of 11 different cabinets, just so you get a taste of the wide range of tones that this plugin has to offer. Now for the guitar tones, I used the ML Sound Lab Amped Icon plugin on the Burn channel, and I'm just using the 57 and the 121 mic options for each cabinet. So I'm going to play the riffs and then switch between the cabinets so you can hear the difference. Let's check it out. Cool, so by switching out the cabinets, you already get a huge palette of tones basically. It's insane. Not to mention switching the mics around and changing their positions and all that good stuff. Okay, now let's take a look at the user interface. So in the speaker menu, you can choose your speaker, and in the mic menu, the mic. You can add extra mics with the plus button on the right and blend them or mix them with the mix slider. On the left side, we have in and output meters, as well as level sliders for both. And of course, the speaker cone section where you can manually move the mics around if you please. You can also fine-tune the positions in the movement area, which has the cap edge, distance, angle, and tilt controls. This is how I personally prefer to move the mics around in this plugin. In the phase tab, you can flip the phase and or adjust the micro latency, and we also have a simple pan control. In the EQ balance section, you get a visual representation of the frequency response, and you can easily adjust the EQ here. In the top menu, you can load and store presets as well as export your own IRs. So the fact that you can export your own IRs with this plugin is really cool because it allows you to make your own IRs and then, for instance, load them into a hardware modeler or hardware IR loader. So you can basically take the sounds of this plugin outside of the software realm, so outside of your computer, and put it into a pedal. That's quite a powerful feature, I must say. Okay, now I'm gonna loop some riffs and then adjust some of the controls in the plugin so you can hear how they respond and how they react and how they affect the tone. And for the amp tones, I'm using the ML SoundLab Amped Oracle plugin, which is based on the Orange. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out right now. Cool! So in case you didn't notice, in the intro track I also used an ML SoundLab Amped plugin, the Fluff 2C Plus plugin to be precise, along with the MIKKO2 plugin for all the cab tones, and I used the Mega Traditional cabinet for those tones, and I saved that preset for you guys, and you can actually download it in the description below. And then you can load it into your MIKKO2 plugin and get that exact same tone. Alright, so that's the ML SoundLab MIKKO2 IR Loader plugin. A very, very powerful tool indeed. This plugin offers an endless array of tones with plenty of options to fine-tune your tone as well, but it's also easy to use. I definitely recommend taking a look at this product at the ML SoundLab website. I'll put a link in the description below as well. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that you found it useful. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons down below, as that really helps the channel out. I'd usually appreciate that. You can also follow Sonic Drive Studio on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you soon. Cheers!